So hey, what's up guys? Today I'm back with a new video, and in this video I'm gonna talk about how to take the stuff from a class from another file and put it inside another file. This also works for functions, lists, and anything. So as I told you guys in the last video in which I was talking about classes, like if I do the Pygame one, so I need to type from Pygame. So Pygame is the file's name, import, and for everything we use to start. So Pygame is the file's name, and then I need to import everything from the file. So that's how we import one thing from another class. I'll show that to you in an example just right now. So I'll make a class that generates that tells you even numbers between, it does not generate, it just tells you even number between whatever you want, but it shall start from 1. So like 1 to 1,000 or whatever. So first, I'm gonna make a list. In the second program or the second file, gonna make add function. It's gonna add every even number I gave out. So I'm gonna make a list underscore. And there's my list. Now I'm gonna make class. So we're making class. As you guys remember, I will first write down class, then the class name. So I'll name it even number generator. And then I'm going to put the colon. So that's good. Now I'm going to generate even numbers from between something to something. I'm going to use a range loop, for loop, for I in range. I'm going to put 1 in for now, till 10. And inside that, I'm going to put an if statement. So if the I not divided, because that will give us the answer, but we don't need the answer, we need the remainder. So we'll get that from I mod, which is the modulus percentage sign for the modulus thing, I mod 2 equals 0. So if any number, if you think about it, if any number divided by 2 and you get 0, it's even. So if I divide like 128 by 2, and I'll get the remainder 0 because it's an even number. And that I'm gonna do list underscore. Now I need to add it in the list, so I'll do dot append list dot append. I'm going to just remove that I, so the number. So now, I forgot to put everything in a class. A function. So I'll tab that out. Press enter. Press tab. And def generator. I'm gonna name the class generator. And And don't forget to put self in. And yeah. So now after I have my class, I'm gonna try and run it and see what happens. I'm gonna print it out after it's done. So outside the for loop, and type print list underscore, so it'll do it after it's done. So there's my list. I'm gonna type num is equal to even number generator and the colon, enter, num dot generator, and that should work. Click on main, and that works. Now it didn't put 10 in because it is not reaching till 10. It's only doing 9 loops because you're starting on 1 and ending on 10, so it's only doing 9 loops. I need to put 11 so that it does the last loop. So it does 10 loops and loops over 10 numbers instead of only 9. So it's going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It never reaches to 10. So, and I'm not putting 0 in here because I wanted to start from 1, so that we don't get 0 in there. Because if we put a 0 in there, Python will just divide it and give us nothing, because anything divided by 0, like, you know what I'm saying, guys, like, we'll get 0. I don't know, I just don't know the math, but yeah, I don't want 0 in my. So that works. Now it gives us 10. Now I'm gonna make a new file, and I'm gonna go for making new file. Right click on your directory, hover over new, click on Python file, name your new Python file. I'm just gonna name it test, press enter, and it loads it. So now, to use that stuff, I also need the list. So I'm going to do import from main, import. My file name is main. From main, import even number generator. I could just put the star and it'll import everything. That's much more simpler. So now I'm gonna make another class that will add up everything. So class adder, I'm gonna do that, and then I'm gonna do def add, and I'm gonna make a parameter named list underscore param for a parameter, so only a list can go in this parameter. And now I'm gonna put in sum, so I'm gonna make a variable named total. So total is equal to, so I'm gonna tell a new thing that I haven't used in my Python videos. So sum adds everything up in a list together. So I'm going to do sum list param. So sum of the list parameter, and then I'm going to print it out. Print total. And that's it. Now I'm going to press enter, and I'm gonna now first put in num is equal to even number generator. I have the even number generator thing because if you guys remember, I imported everything from there. So now I'm gonna make add is equal to adder. Oh, it is a capital. Adder. I forgot to put the colon up there. So adder, and I'm gonna first run the number generator. So num dot generator, and then I'm gonna do add dot add dot add, and I'm gonna put the parameter in, which is list underscore, and I can use the list from here because I imported the list. So I'm gonna run that. Oh, I need to run my test file, not that. And as you guys see, it gave out 60. I don't know why it's printing this, but 2 plus 4 is 6. 6 plus 6 is 12. 12 plus, oh god, I think there's an error. It's doing something wrong. Is it looping over the num generator? Because I don't know. If I run this, it's fine. Weird. Oh wait. Is that gonna work? And run it. And yeah, that works. I forgot that it's already running it over here because I imported everything. But if I only did even number generator and list underscore my list, it's not gonna run. I don't know how it's running. Wait. I thought it's not gonna run for a second. But it works. So, yeah. I don't know how it's running this. Oh, because I put this in? Would I have removed this? It still works. I think because I imported the list, that's why it works. Because the list is running it then, I think. Yeah, the list is running it somehow. Even though I'm not seeing it run. What if I do this? What if I tag it out? Oh god. I'll do that. What if I run? Yeah, okay. So it's running because of this part. Okay. So, guys, this was it for this video. I had a bit of confusion. Everybody has some. But this was it for this video. So, bye guys.